ready?
Yeah.
You ready, Ariel?
Yes.
Yes. We're gonna jump until we can't jump no more. Okay?
I'm ready to jump.
You gonna jump on everything? Yeah, we ready. I'm ready. I'm more happy than the girls. We get to jump.
We gotta take our shoes off and we jump.
We're gonna jump. All right, you ready? Let's go. Let's close the door. All right, let's see how we're gonna do this. All right, I'll call y'all back. Y'all ready?
Yeah.
Y'all see the jumpy houses? It looks so fun. Right? We'll put them up there. Put yours up there. You got some big feet, Ariel. All right. All right, let's go. Which one y'all want to get on first? Ooh. We're playing hide and seek. Oh, under the candy canes?
Yep.
Okay. Oh, you want to sit in the chair? Let's see. Let's take a picture. Can you get in there, Joy? All right. Say cheese. Look, Joy. Okay, come on. Come on.
That is cute.
Right back here.
Right.
Come on. All right, go ahead. I don't know if you can go over this way. Wait till she's done. All right, go ahead. Huh? Oh, Joy. You gonna go up there, Joy?
Wait, actually no.
You don't want to go up there? Okay, let's not go up there then. Y'all want to do the rock climbing?
Yeah, the rock climbing.
Okay, come on. You ain't gonna go up there? No. You wanna go up there with Joy? Go, Joy. You trying to get down? Come on. Come on, Joy. Joy. Come on. And look at this one. Whee!
Wee!
Whee! Oh, this is scary. That was scary.
Let's go again.
We want to go again?
It's fun.
It is fun. Where did Joy go?
Joy is the bravest, right, TT?
Yeah, she was getting it. Go ahead, Joy. You got it. This slide is scary.
Yeah, it's really scary.
Go ahead, Joy. Go ahead. You got it, Joy. Keep your foot under the thing. Go ahead. Put your foot on the thing, yeah.
But wait for these two. Awesome and Claire.
Go ahead, JoJo.
Jojo.
Joy.
Wait,
Ooh, Joy made it.
Wait, Carson, hang on to see.
Y'all ready?
Yeah.
Okay.
Guys, get behind me. Hang on to me. Hang on.
Let Joy go by herself, okay?
Ooh.
Okay, come on. You ready?
Go.
Ready, set, go. This is low-key scary. Right? 1, 2, 3. All right, y'all ready on another one?
Yeah.
Okay, come on. All right.
There's water. You stepped in the
Oh
water.
my God. Ew.
Just step over.
Okay. Come on, Joy. Ooh. I hit my head. This ain't a slide, but you could jump on it though.
Wait, I don't want to do
Okay, let's go. Let's go on this. Oh, I'm sorry.
I'm gonna get in front of you because
Okay.
I'm so scared.
You're so scared. All right, let's go. 1,
2, 3, go.
Woo. That was fun. Can you get up? You like the other one? Woo. Okay. Joy, Ariel, gotta wait for Joy. Hey, Joy, you slid so fast, I couldn't even record you. You hot?
Yeah.
Okay. Ooh. Y'all wanna get a snow cone? Okay. Y'all go ahead. Joy said she hot. Let's go get a snow cone. Let's go get a snow cone. And we'll come back. Alright, where is... Oh, it's over here. Come on.
Yeah.
Yours is so cute. That's a pretty color.
Hey.
Let me see yours, Joy. Ooh, is it good? We just ate our ices. Now we finna go in an obstacle course, baby. Huh? It is? Ooh. Come on, let's go up. Joy? You going up? Oh, you going up with Ariel. Okay. Is it a slide, Ariel? Okay. Go ahead. Any day now. I'm coming. I'm waiting on Joy. Huh? Ooh. How are we going to get through here? Oh my goodness. Which one is easier? You gonna do that one? I think this one easy.
Okay, I'll go with you.
Oh.
You can't touch it. Okay.
How are we gonna do it, guys? Okay, let's see. I'll go first.
Okay.
Ooh.
Now go second.
Ooh.
You lose, you touch
Oh my goodness, it's hard. Yeah. This is a little hard, y'all. Oh my goodness. This isn't made for big people.
We're not going back on here.
Oh no.
Right, Gigi?
Right.
Joy,
Joy, don't kick her. Yeah. I shouldn't have did this. Oh. My hat falling off.
Gigi,
I know. Yeah. We almost there. Whew. Who came up with this?
Gigi,
Uh-huh.
we're already you.
Ooh. Okay. TC's out.
I'm out.
Yeah. Let's see who can get out first.
That'll be me.
That'll be you? What's this doing? Oh, good job, Ariel. High five. What are they talking about? Okay, that was the easier way. Oh my goodness. Okay. That's the easier way. Yeah, we gotta go around. Oh my goodness. Whose idea was this? We got Miss Little Daredevil right here. That's ready for whatever.
I'm scared, Gigi.
You scared? So why would you go up there? You could do it. Go. Come on, Joy. On this same ride. Or maybe like the 5th time. And I gotta go down it too. Let's get it.
I want to get in front of you.
Okay. Woo. Look at Joy.
Joy just said, whoa.
Oh, she flipped.
Joy,
You okay?
Joy just said,
We had our fun at the jumpy place. You had fun?
yes, yeah, we have fun.
Had fun? Okay, get out. You taking your book bag?
Yeah.
Okay, come on. Ooh, it smells like some Chinese food. Yeah, we had such a problem. Get back to sleep. But that's it for today. We better go home and I am going to take a bath. Get all these germs off of me. Then I'm gonna lay down. That's all I had to say. Bye.